I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you.
Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony and today we're gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna be doing a DIY edge exfoliator. And I know that sounds super extra, but trust me, this is something that is beneficial, at least for me and my edges, okay? Because this video was inspired by those little white heads that you can like scratch off with your nail. But whenever I use too much edge control for the week, that's what happens. They pop up around my hairline and I hate that. So this is the star of the show. I'm using sugar in the raw as something abrasive that I can put on my edges to try and clear those pores out, because whenever I use extra edge control and I pile it on, and then I blend my makeup into my hairline, it's just like a neglected area of skin that I feel like is prone to acne. I already have acne prone skin, so I don't need anything making it worse out here in these natural hair streets. So this is everything all mixed together and the star of the show. I did end up adding another scoop of sugar just to make it more abrasive. You can switch that out with baking soda if you want, if sugar is too much for you. And there are no exact measurements, just make however as much as you need for your hair. You know, if you want to apply this to your edges or on the back and your nape area as well, just you can do this up or do it down however you feel like, okay? I use olive oil, coconut oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and my favorite clarifying shampoo. So that's just what works for me and my hair, but y'all can literally, like I said, switch out the oil, switch out the essential oils, take it out, leave it in. If you do use coconut oil, I do recommend to melt that thing down before you add it in so you're not stirring forever. But after it gets somewhat liquidy like this, and it kind of looks disgusting but it is super beneficial, I just apply this directly to my edges. And this is messy, so I would recommend doing it in the shower, but for the sake of the video I am filming and doing it out of the shower. And you just apply this directly to the place where you put your edge control, so that it clarifies everything out, and also where you blend your makeup into your hairline. Like I said before, I already have acne prone skin, and this really just helps get rid of the dead skin and the extra edge control and everything for the week. I know for me specifically, if I go in and just wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo, I do have to pay extra attention to my edges because the edge control don't always come off as easily. And if I'm piling it on throughout the week, why wouldn't I have to scrub it back off extra hard? You know what I'm saying? So I'm just paying extra attention to it first before I get in the shower and clarify and shampoo the rest of my hair. Here I am just misting my hair lightly with water, and I am starting to massage it in. With the clarifier, I use the Suave one. You guys know I love the Tresemme one that I showed you guys in the beginning, but I use the Suave one for this video. Again, switch out whatever you want, however you like. And I'm just massaging this in. Also, when you put this in your hair, the sugar granules will settle at the bottom of the mixture, so make sure to scoop those out when you apply it. But I'm just making sure that I'm getting to the skin underneath my edges, okay? Because like I said, I want to unclog those pores. I want to get all of the extraness off, because I know for me that is like a neglected area of skin. Even if I exfoliate my face and even if I clarify my hair, it's like the edges are delicate and they don't always get hit for whatever reason. So thus the acne. And I don't know about you, but I don't need bumpy edges. Okay, that's disgusting. I don't need bumpy edges. I don't want that. And this is a way to prevent this. Again, I do this whenever I feel like I use an excessive amount of edge control for the week and or makeup, and whenever my pores start to clog up. For preventative measures, you can do this even if your pores aren't clogged. But I know for me, I just don't, like I said, need bumpy edges. So I don't do this often, but I do make sure that when I do it, it is very thorough and I am not neglecting that skin, because it just doesn't always get hit, not when I wash my face and not when I wash my hair. So I know this video seems kind of extra, but this is how I exfoliate my edges. It is a clarifying stripping process, so beware of that. And whenever I get in the shower, I just rinse this out first and then I clarify the rest of my hair. So be sure to massage it in very carefully, you know. You can part your hair into sections if you want, if that makes it easier. I let it sit for 10 minutes, and after I am done rinsing it out, also, by the way, whenever you clarify your hair, clarify with the same shampoo that you made the mixture with. After I'm done rinsing everything out, this is how it is looking. Nice and clarified, nice and clean, healthy scalp, unclogged pores, and not a whole bunch of buildup or residue, especially around the most delicate and acne prone part of my skin. And massaging my edges feels so good. Something about massaging like the temple area or like the edge area of my hair, it just feels so good. So if you want to stimulate growth and all that good stuff too, definitely give this a try. Being on a hair journey definitely can clog your pores with all the products that you end up using, so don't neglect the skin that you're in, guys, whether it's up underneath your hair, on your face, anywhere where your product can touch. Just make sure that everything is clean, y'all, okay? Because y'all know I'm a clean freak. I don't run from a stripped feeling, and I clarify every single week. So this is right up my alley. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed, let me know down below what your favorite edge control is, preferably one that doesn't clog pores, okay? Regardless, even if it does, you can definitely use this exfoliator to combat all of that. So let me know if you guys end up giving this a try. I would be interested to see what some of your mixtures would be for this edge exfoliator. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!